Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a conversion rate optimization strategy with Optimizely, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by understanding what conversion rate optimization, or CRO, is and why it matters. Identify the main goals of your website. Determine which actions you want your visitors to take, like making a purchase or signing up for a newsletter. Next, gather data on your current conversion rates using analytics tools. Analyze the data to identify areas that need improvement, such as high bounce rates or low sign-up rates. Create a hypothesis about why certain pages may not be converting as expected. Use Optimizely to set up A/B tests that will help validate your hypothesis. Begin by selecting a page you want to test. Decide what elements you want to modify, such as headlines, images, or calls to action. In Optimizely, create a new experiment by entering the URL of the page you want to work on. Customize the variations by making the necessary changes in the editor. Preview each variation to ensure everything looks correct. Set the duration for your experiment to get statistically significant results. Launch the experiment and monitor the performance data as it comes in. Evaluate the results once the experiment ends, focusing on which variation performed better. Use the insights gained to inform future changes and optimizations. Document your findings to create a knowledge base for further improvements. Finally, repeat the process regularly to continuously enhance your website's conversion rate. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.